Hi, sweetie. Do you have plans for this weekend?
Not really, Dad. I just want to relax.
That sounds nice. You had a busy week.
Yes, I did. I had 2 exams and a project.
You worked very hard. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Dad.
So, what do you want to do on Saturday?
Maybe I can sleep late.
That's a good start. No alarm clock.
No alarm clock. I hate waking up early.
Me too. But I have to wake up early every weekday.
Can we have a big breakfast together?
Of course, we can make pancakes.
Really? With chocolate?
Maybe with some fruit too.
Okay, fruit and chocolate.
What about the afternoon?
I want to meet my friend Emma.
Where are you going to meet her?
We are going to the park.
That's nice. The weather will be sunny.
What are you going to do on Saturday?
I'm going to clean the garage.
That doesn't sound fun.
It isn't, but it's necessary.
Maybe I can help you in the morning.
That would be great. If you help me, we can finish faster.
And then we can watch a movie at night.
Good idea. What kind of movie?
A comedy. I want to laugh.
I agree. We both need something funny.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I thought we could visit Grandma.
I miss her. We haven't seen her in 2 weeks.
Yes, and she always makes delicious cake.
Now I really want to go.
After visiting Grandma, maybe we could go for a walk by the lake.
That sounds peaceful.
If the weather is good, we can stay there until sunset.
Can I take some photos?
Of course. You're getting better at photography.
This weekend sounds perfect.
Why do you think so?
Because we will relax, spend time together, and do different activities.
You're right. A good weekend doesn't have to be expensive.
It just has to be meaningful.
Exactly. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too, Dad. I can't wait for the weekend.
You know, weekends are also a good time to think about the new week.
Oh no, Dad. Don't talk about Monday already.
I'm not trying to scare you. I just mean we can prepare a little.
Maybe on Sunday evening, not now.
Fair enough. Sunday evening sounds reasonable.
I have a math quiz next week.
Do you feel ready for it?
Not completely. I understand most of it, but some questions are difficult.
If you want, we can study together on Sunday afternoon.
Really? That would help a lot.
Of course, we can review the hardest topics first.
I think I need more practice with fractions.
Fractions can be tricky, but once you understand the logic, they're easy.
I hope so. I don't want to feel nervous during the quiz.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel.
You always say that.
Because it's true. Preparation reduces stress.
That actually makes sense.
So our weekend plan is relax, have fun, help each other, and prepare a little.
When you say it like that, it sounds very balanced.
That's the goal. Weekends shouldn't be only about responsibilities.
But they also shouldn't be completely unproductive, right?
Exactly. It's about finding the right balance.
I like that we plan things together.
Me too. It makes our time more meaningful.
I think this will be one of my favorite weekends.
Then, let's make it special.
Deal. And don't forget the pancakes.
I won't. Pancakes are now officially part of the plan.